it's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're out in the bush and we're going to cut a little bit of firewood. I have not cut much firewood this year. Things just worked against me, so it is what it is. And last weekend, the weekend before, I just cut a little bit because I had other things to do, like blowing back here. So today is the day we're going to cut a little bit of firewood, and it's going to be my main focus. So I live near Ottawa, and it is minus 21 today, and there is a wind chill. You can probably hear the wind, so I'm going to cut as much as I can, and I'm going to bring you along. When it is really cold, it is important that you let your chainsaw warm up. If you start it and start cutting into wood right away, you could actually have a cold seize. So that's basically when the piston expands faster than the cylinder can. So I'm starting it up, let it run a little bit, and then we'll go cut some wood. Okay, so this is where we're clearing. They're not very big trees. There is a few. This is a decent sized tree. But basically, I'm just going to clear the rest of this little stuff. And that's almost as far as I'm going to go. I might go a few more trees back there, but this is pretty much the clearing I want. So we're going to go around and try to cut down the rest of the little trees. It is way worse than last week and way colder for sure. So we're just gonna cut the rest of the trees around here, get them all cleaned up. It is pretty cold out here, and I think I've had enough. You know what? I cut a little bit of wood. I really hope the weather starts to warm up a little bit, but it doesn't warm up so much that I need to get my maple syrup stuff done. That is always a little bit of a race to maple syrup season, so I'm hoping that I have enough time to finish up my house wood before I have to start cutting some wood for the sugar shack and getting the sugar shack and tapping the trees and everything. So you know what? We got a little bit of wood cut today. I'm going to go back, and hopefully next weekend we'll hammer a lot more, and the temperature is going to be a little bit better too. So that's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.